Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We are going to get started standing up. Let's shake out our arms and our legs, wiggling the body a little bit. And then we close the eyes. Take a big inhale, breathing in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Again, let's breathe in through the nose, filling the belly up, and sigh it out through your mouth. And now you can keep breathing in and out through the nose as you drop your head forward, bringing your chin to your chest, and slowly shifting your chin over towards your right shoulder. Let's bring our chin back to our chest. And now bring your chin over towards your left shoulder. Bring your chin back towards your chest as you look up, pointing the chin up towards the ceiling here. Just dropping the head back. Let's drop the chin towards the chest again, this time rounding the upper back. Let's stand up tall as we open our legs, hands on the hips, shifting our hips over to the right. And now pushing the hips towards the back. And your back is flat here. Hips towards the left. And now push your pelvis forward. So we just took a big circle with the hips. Let's do that one more time. And really take your time here. And now let's go the other way. So pushing the hips to the left and back, and then to the right and forward. Let's do that one more time. Let's bring the legs a little bit closer to each other as we sweep the arms up overhead for our mountain pose. Reaching the arms up, reaching the fingertips up, relaxing the shoulders. And now we drop our right arm, reaching over with our left arm for our side body stretch. Maybe you look up at the ceiling a little bit if it feels good on your neck. And back to our mountain pose. Let's drop our left arm down, this time reaching over with that right arm. Coming into our side body stretch. Back to our mountain pose, taking an inhale and exhale, forward fold. Let's shake the legs out a little bit, getting the kinks out of our body. Slowly begin to roll up. Your head is the last thing to arrive. And let's sweep the arms overhead for our mountain pose and bring our hands to heart center, taking a deep breath. Again, let's sweep the arms up overhead for our mountain pose, coming into our side body stretch, lowering that left arm, reaching over with the right. And we come back into our mountain pose, side body stretch, reaching over with that left. Back to mountain pose and forward fold. Shake your legs out, bending and straightening the legs, pedaling the legs. And slowly begin to make your way onto hands and knees for our tabletop position. Come into your cow pose, shining the chest forward, looking up, dropping the belly low. And now our cat pose, rounding our spine, pulling the chin into the chest. Again, our cow pose, looking up, shining the chest forward through the arms, and cat pose, pressing the mat away from you, rounding the spine. And let's make our way into our first downward facing dog. Shake your legs out a little bit here. You can keep the knees bent if that feels a little bit better. Look forward and step to the top of your mat, coming into a forward fold as you slowly roll up. Your head is the last thing to come up. Sweep your arms up for mountain pose. Hands come to heart center. Take a deep breath. Back to our mountain pose. Drop that left arm down for your side body stretch with that right arm. Let's come back into our mountain pose, side body stretch with that left arm reaching over. Back to our mountain pose. Take an inhale, listen for the change, baby back bend. Bend your elbows like a cactus, shining the chest forward, looking up, and back to our mountain pose and forward fold. Let's pedal the legs out a little bit, straightening and bending. And we make our way into our tabletop position on hands and knees, dropping the belly low, coming into our cow pose, arching the back, and coming to your cat pose. Again, we come into our cow pose. And round your spine for your cat pose. Making your way into a downward facing dog as you pedal the legs. Look forward, stepping to the top of your mat for a forward fold. Slowly rolling up, head is the last thing to come up. Sweep your arms up for your mountain pose. And your hands come to heart center. Place your right hand on your left shoulder, lowering that left arm as you reach the left arm up very slowly. And now you're going to reach it behind you. You can flip your palm for this. And now let's reverse it. So reaching the arm back, up, and forward. Take your time. And now repeat that on your other side. So I want you to take your time just because we're working with some shoulder mobility here. You might feel a few cracks or pops in your shoulders. Those are completely normal, but you should not be feeling any pain. Drop your chin towards your chest as you slowly roll down into a forward fold, making your way into your ragdoll pose, opening your legs a little bit, slight bend in the knees as you grab opposite elbows and you just hang here, releasing any tension in your spine or your shoulders or your arms. And now let's bend our right knee, keeping that right palm planted on your mat. You lift your left arm up high, maybe taking some circles with the wrist, creating some circulation here. And now let's take that to the other side, bending that left leg, straightening the right, lifting the right arm, taking some circles. Back into your ragdoll pose. You have the option to clasp your hands behind the low back, pressing the fist up towards the ceiling, relaxing your head. Make your way into a tabletop position, coming into your cat pose first this time. So rounding the spine first, and make your way into your cow pose, just reversing it. Again, we come into our cat pose, and we come into our cow pose. Let's swing the legs around in front of us. We're going to open the legs just a little bit, just the width of your mat, shaking the legs out a little bit as you slide the hands down, coming into a forward fold, maybe grabbing onto the knees, the ankles, the toes, whatever feels accessible right now. Let's come back up as we plant our left foot on the mat, bending that left knee. We reach our right arm up and then hook that right elbow on top of that knee. With every inhale, you lengthen your spine, and with every exhale, you twist a little deeper. And let's do that same thing on the other side. Make your way back into that forward fold now, opening the legs slightly. Maybe you go a little bit deeper, really reaching the crown of your head towards your feet. Let's rise back up, coming into a cross-legged position. We sweep our arms up overhead and bring your hands to heart center as you take a deep breath in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.